And in some news breaking this minute, sources say that differences have cropped up between the two promoters and the co-founders of the IndiGo airline. Sources say the two, Rahul Bhatia and Rakesh Gangwal, have hired legal firms to dispute resolution. Now, the differences between the two apparently are over Bhatia's possible feeling that Gangwal was trying to gain greater control of the airline by bringing in his own team as IndiGo plans to expand its footprints in the international market. So yet again, we're looking at a case where right now there seems to be some kind of a dispute between IndiGo co-founders, but what it really means to a larger picture is something we really have to look at this point, because sources indicating there have been some kind of differences that have cropped up between the two promoters of IndiGo being Rahul Bhatia and Rakesh Gangwal. Now, we're given to understand that the differences between the two are apparently over Bhatia trying to gain control, or possibly feeling that Gangwal is trying to gain greater control of the airline by bringing his own team into the IndiGo, as IndiGo now plans to expand to the international market. Our senior editor Nayanthara joining me on the phone line. Nayanthara, first of all, tell us what is the possible impact this is going to have, looking at the larger picture where both the co-founders, sources say, have differences that have cropped up. What is the larger picture we're looking at this point?
Yeah, thanks a lot for that. This is a story we at ET Now, your sister concern, broke yesterday afternoon about how the men behind IndiGo Airlines, Rahul Bhatia and Rakesh Gangwal, are having issues. Let's not sensationalize it. This is a story that's been picked up in every newspaper today. So having said that, let's put it in perspective. I don't think the passengers need to worry. IndiGo is far too big an airline, far too big a brand, which the two gentlemen that founded this airline are very well aware of. They're having differences on the vision. They're having differences on executive control, the senior management that has been hired of late, with one promoter, Rahul Bhatia, feeling that, his business partner is getting more control via those appointments. Rakesh Gangwal is seen as the brainchild behind IndiGo, the man behind making sure it's efficient. He's a senior aviation expert, a veteran from the United States, has headed airlines in the U.S. It's a case of that. But both these partners have an equal stake, 37 to 38% each in the airline. Gangwal is an NRI businessman based out of the U.S. It is not as if any promoter right now is looking to exit. It's not as if any promoter is looking to move court at this juncture. These differences that we are talking about is at an early stage. They're trying to iron it out. So we have Rakesh Gangwal, who has hired one law firm, and Rahul Bhatia has hired another law firm, and they're trying to mediate this, arrive at a solution. But the big message I think the Mirror Now viewers would take heart from is, don't worry, IndiGo is not going to go down. It's not like airfares will go up. That's the last thing this industry will want after the jet fiasco.
Absolutely. We'll have to leave it there, Nayanthara. Many thanks for joining us and giving us a broader perspective of what this really means for the commuters at this point.